friends, welcome to Technique. This is Normal here, and in this video we're going to talk about the Mi Soundbar, which was announced in India very recently. So the Mi Soundbar is an accessory which is announced in India, and this is a perfect companion for your Mi TV. So if you own a smart TV, this is a perfect companion and it fits perfectly to a large television and provides great sound output. So of late we have seen a lot of TVs coming with a very slim chassis, and as a result the sound output is something which gets not that great performance. So this is where the sound bars get into work that provides better experience and sound output. So we have the Mi Soundbar, which is announced. This is priced 4,999, and in this video we'll talk about the features, what all it offers, the sound quality. So we'll show you some sample audio from this soundbar. So first let's have a look at design and build quality. So design wise, you could see that the Mi Soundbar is looks perfectly well. It's made of good quality plastic material, and on the top of the bar we have this option to increase or decrease the volume. So we have different options. One is the Bluetooth, then you have aux in, line in is there, SPDF is there, then optical is there. So you can actually choose between them by just pressing the button, and you have the LED light available. Whenever you choose that, you can see that the LED light changes. So whichever mode you have chosen, we have the LED light available, and you can just pair your smartphone. If you are using Bluetooth, that's the best option available. And for TV we have SPDF. We also have SPDF capabilities on Mi TV as well. Then we have the line in and aux also available. So whichever is suited for you, you can get started with this. Now at the bottom also we have the sports included, and there's also power switch available which can turn on the speaker. So there is also two options to hang into the wall. In case you are not keeping it on a table, you can also hang into the wall. There are two slots available to hang into the wall. So this is very simple to set up. So all you need is to connect to the power, turn on this, and that's it. The Mi Soundbar is turned on, and you can just connect to whatever option you want. Now talking about the build quality once again, so you can see that the front panel has a cloth mesh finish. So this looks really good. It's the quality of material is pretty good and gives it a premium feel actually. And this top and bottom section is made of plastic material, but the plastic quality as such looks good, and the material finishing is also pretty good. You can actually feel the cloth material, which is made of pretty premium quality as well. So inside the soundbar we have two 20mm dome tweeters, 4 passive radiators, and also we have two 2.5 inches woofer drivers included, but there's no subwoofer included. That's the only shortcoming with this soundbar. There's no subwoofer included, but otherwise it's a quite good package at 4,999 pricing. And apart from that, the experience using this is pretty good because it's very easy to connect with the speakers. I mean the soundbar, if you're playing with from Bluetooth audio or TV or whichever medium it be, the pairing and connecting to the soundbar is pretty simple and very easy process. Now we'll just play some sound from a smartphone, and we'll just show you, because we don't have a TV setup here. We'll just show the sound quality from the smartphone. So we are just paired the device with the smartphone, and we'll just show you the sound quality. So you can see that at max volume, you can see the speakers does have some vibration. So especially if your place is on a table, you can actually feel that vibration, and the bass performance is pretty good. On the soundbar you could see that the bass performance is pretty good. So even if you're listening to songs on your smartphone paired using Bluetooth, the sound quality is pretty good for the pricing it is being offered. But there is no subwoofers available. That's the only shortcoming, as I said before. Now we'll just play this once again. We'll just show you. So you can see at max volume there is some vibration, but the quality is pretty good even at this max volume. So we'll just play a few more songs at lower the volume. So as I said before, the bass performance is pretty good on this soundbar, and it's quite adequate for regular viewing experience, but there are no certification like DTS or Dolby included. Considering the price segment, this is again acceptable, and this is perfect companion for your television, but you don't get those kind of 3D sound system. Those things are not available, so it's pretty simple and straightforward soundbar which improves the sound performance of your TV, but does not give some additional 3D like sound or nothing like that. It's pretty simple and straightforward soundbar where the quality of the sound is pretty good and the bass performance again is pretty good, and you get plenty of connectivity options in the form of line-in aux, and you also get the Bluetooth audio which you can pair from your smartphone. So but then every time you want to change the mode, you have to physically go there and change the mode. There is no remote available for this, but then considering the price segment of 4,999, it's again quite acceptable. So overall, at the price of 4,999, we feel that the Mi soundbar is definitely worth buying if you want to improve the sound output from your TVs or at home. And this is specifically, if you are using a Mi TV, this is specifically a really good add-on to improve the sound performance, and overall we feel this is a value for money proposition from Xiaomi in India. So that was the Mi soundbar from Xiaomi in India, which is priced 4,999, and we'll share the link in the description of this video from where you can buy the Mi soundbar. So that's all guys, thanks for watching, hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.